Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add a Visa gift card to Venmo so you can use it for payments or transfers with ease. Before we start, make sure your Venmo app is fully updated. This helps avoid compatibility issues and keeps your account secure. First of all, open Venmo app and tap the Me icon in the bottom menu to go to your profile page. Scroll until you find the banks and cards section. This is where you will see all your linked payment methods. Tap Add a bank or card and select Card as the option. Now enter your Visa gift card details, card expiration date, card number, CVV code, billing zip code. Double check each field for accuracy. If your card doesn't have a printed zip code, try using your home zip code. If that doesn't work, contact the card issuer's customer service to confirm the registered zip code. Once everything is filled in, review your details and tap Add to complete the process. You should now see your Visa gift card listed under banks and cards. From here, you can set it as your default payment method, manage settings, or remove it anytime. And that's it. You have successfully added your Visa gift card to Venmo. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Venmo and payment app tutorials.